Hey YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today I'm going to show you an oatmeal recipe that I watched a bodybuilder take an hour to explain. So I'm going to try to do it in about 2 minutes. It is so cool, it is so fast, and it's so good, I had to share it. So here we go. What you need is 1 cup of oatmeal, okay? 1 cup of almond milk. I also add a 1/4 cup of water because of the consistency I like. You chop up your apples. You want like 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, I'm not going to use a tablespoon because I know about how much it is. I just squirt it in, but it's about 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to chop up these apples and show you how it's done. All right, we're ready to add everything into the pot. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and add the oats. So I add 1 cup of oatmeal. Yeah, about like that. That's plenty. 1 cup of oatmeal. All right. Then I'm going to add 1 or 2. This is about 1/2 teaspoon. I'm just going to sprinkle it like so, and that's about how much it is. Just a little sprinkle, and it gives the flavor that I really like. And the honey, I remember told you it's a tablespoon, so this is about a tablespoon. I just go squirt like so, and we're good. Something like that. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of almond milk, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. When I say a pinch, let me show you what I mean. Let me get so you can actually see what I mean, because it's not a teaspoon. It's about that much, and then I pinch. Okay, this is just to give it some flavor. The recipe that I saw online, he did not want any salt added to his. He did not have any salt in his house. He didn't have any sugar in his house. So we're not adding sugar, we're going to add honey. Next, we're going to go ahead and add the almond milk. So 1 cup of almond milk. So it's 1 to 1 in terms of the almond milk and the oatmeal. So we'll just add that in. And then, because I let mine cook just a little while until it's just past crunchy, we're going to add 1/4 cup of water. Okay. So now we're ready to head over to the stove. We'll get this warmed up, and then we'll add our apples. Okay, got our stove fired up. Put our oats on here. Let you watch me stir them. So I'll just stir them with my left hand here so I don't get in the way. You see, and I just kind of stir it until it gets to the consistency that I prefer. So that's going to be up to you. I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit. We don't need to keep it on high. So we'll just stir it like so. And just before it's at the consistency I like, I add in my apples. I'll get those now because it's just about there. And this is real time. Just about there. Should have had my apples ready, but I didn't. But that's okay. This is real time. So you can keep a little time in between. And I stir in my apples. Like so. I just let them cook a little bit because I like my apples pretty much fresh and nice and crunchy. And in 2 minutes, breakfast is ready. And oatmeal is so good for you. It is so... The fiber is good, the apple is good. If you want, you could add a banana. Sometimes we add a banana, sometimes we just have the apple. Both are just extremely good for you. And we're just about there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one more time so you can watch me put it in the bowl and start eating it. Okay, that's done. Or we just put it in a bowl like so. And oatmeal breakfast is served. It's delicious. Thanks for watching.